Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix poor GPS signal reception in GPS trackers, especially when the tracker can't lock onto satellites in underground parking lots, tunnels, or dense urban environments. Problem: poor GPS signal reception. GPS tracker fails to lock onto satellite signals or shows inaccurate locations in places with poor visibility to the sky, for example, underground, tall buildings, etc. Step-by-step fix. Step 1. Check tracker placement. What to do. Ensure the GPS antenna or tracker is installed in a location with maximum sky visibility. Best practice: install the tracker near the windshield or dashboard if inside the car. Avoid placement under metal surfaces, thick dashboards, or in glove compartments. Avoid placing it near electronic interference, for example, infotainment systems or power inverters. Step 2. Inspect the GPS antenna connection. What to do. Open the tracker casing if removable and check that the GPS antenna cable is securely connected. Check for loose connectors, broken antenna wires, corroded or damaged contacts. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. Turn off the vehicle and disconnect the tracker's power for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect and power it back on. This can force a cold restart of the GPS module, which forces it to reacquire satellite data from scratch. Step 4. Test in an open area. Move the vehicle or tracker to an open space with clear visibility of the sky. Use your GPS tracking platform or app to check if the device starts locking onto satellites. Most modern trackers need at least 4 satellites for accurate tracking. Step 5. Check for external interference. Look for other nearby devices that could be jamming GPS signals. Signal jammers or blockers. Dash cams with GPS that interfere. Metallic tint on windshields. Block signal, disable or relocate interfering devices and test the GPS again. Step 6. Update tracker firmware. If supported, log into your GPS tracker admin panel or app. Check for available firmware or configuration updates. Updated firmware may improve satellite acquisition algorithms or fix signal bugs. Step 7. Enable AGPS-assisted GPS in the tracker settings, usually via web platform. Enable AGPS if available. AGPS uses nearby cellular towers to help the tracker lock onto satellites faster, especially in urban areas. Step 8. Use an external GPS antenna. Optional. What to do? If the built-in antenna is weak, consider using an external high-gain GPS antenna. Installation tip. Route the antenna to a roof mount or windshield area for best results. Step 9. Consider environmental limitations. Note: some environments inherently block GPS signals. Underground parking lots, dense high-rise clusters, urban canyon, tunnels. Tip: use trackers with cell tower triangulation or Wi-Fi fallback positioning in such areas if accurate location is critical. Step 10. Replace tracker if hardware is faulty. What to do? If the tracker consistently fails to lock onto GPS after all the above steps, consider hardware failure. Damaged GPS module, water damage, internal short circuits. Action: replace with a verified working unit and retest. Tools you may need: GPS test app like GPS Test or GPS Status on Android, multimeter to check antenna continuity, access to the tracker admin panel or configuration tool. Warning: do not place the tracker under metal or inside fully enclosed metal containers. It will block GPS entirely. Let me know your tracker model if you want model-specific fixes or configuration methods.